welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Today we do a very short haul from Tkmax. My very quick shopping in Tkmax in UX for today. Weather it's crazy because we have a Ellen hurricane right now, but I decided to just run to Tkmax to buy a few bits and pieces. Also, Tkmax is a place where I'm always going to check shoes. You know, I have some issue with the shoes. I need the shoes because I have a very small size of the feet and it's very difficult for me to buy shoes, and if I can have something, I'm buying immediately. It's never enough to have a shoes. Okay, let me do... Oh, that's heavy. I didn't expect that will be so heavy. Okay, let me show you what I bought in Tkmax. This is not from Tkmax, this is Primark, this is socks. I love socks from Primark, and it's funny, but they cost €2.50 and today was on sale for €1.50. That means you save €1 per packet, what is absolutely crazy. That's for whole month for me, I love it. Let me open the pack. Oh. Of course, I bought the shoes, this time Adidas Cloud, super soft, super light, very comfortable. I don't like wide bottom part, but last time I bought one and they are one of the most comfortable shoes that I ever had, and I decided to have another one. Even I don't like the wide bottom. Why I don't like wide part? Because get dirty very fast, and I don't really want to focus and I don't want to clean it, because this is the worst thing with the shoes. If you can just put to the washing machine, it's fine, but if you need to take some toothbrush and clean this part to keep this fresh white, it's different story. Another thing, I have a chopping board, wood piece chopping board, and it's one piece of wood. Looks beautiful. If you're watching me, you can see most of the time I'm eating from the board. I'm preparing some sandwiches for myself or some vegetables, whatever it is, I'm eating from the boards. It's nice, looks great, and I really like it. And today I bought one big piece of wood chopping board. I love it, it's beautiful. And the last from no last. And another part is a pan. This pan is like grill pan. You can see it's like stripes here. It's perfect for grilling some vegetables or some meat. And this pan is for induction, and this is cool because I have an induction oven at home, and will be easier for me to use it. And I have a million idea what to roast, probably some vegetables and some onions and some chicken breast with yogurt marinade. Actually immediately I can wait to go to Tesco and do some shopping and start using this pan. Looks beautiful, it's very heavy, but I believe that will be absolutely super choice for the pan for me. And the last one in this bag, it's salt. I decided to buy the salt because it looks beautiful. I like the jar, a glass jar. It's a sea salt. My salt is Finnish. I have a salt from Tesco, the most cheap, the most easy, simple one. And when I saw this glass jar, I just love it, and I decided to buy it. Even it's €4 for that, and for €4 you can have like 6 kg in the Tesco probably. But I like it, and probably that will be somewhere on the top of my kitchen desk. Czerwone. Okay, and another bag and another part of my shopping. I have an olive foil from Portugal, beautiful, organic bio, hopefully. Another two phone chargers for iPhone, for iPad. I need one for car, one for home, because they are super long. They are 6 feet, and they are amazing because you can actually have this cable in one place, and actually you can move all over, and it's still enough long. Why I really like it. Oh, and colors are cool as well. And I have smoked paprika from Spain as well, just because of the jar, but I love smoked paprika. I use a lot for food, and I love it. Will be another beautiful gadget for my kitchen. And I have a one, just a glaze from balsamic vinegar, very tasty. This is with fig, really love it. And that's just dental floss. And I have one more salt, and I have how it's calling, Jesus, I forgot. Yeah, it's just to protect my ears and just enjoy me walking with the super windy day like today. Okay guys, I think that's it what I bought in Tkmax.